The product owner, PO, is a key role in Agile and Scrum methodologies responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog, representing the customer or stakeholders' interests, and ensuring that the development team delivers value to the business. Here are the primary roles and responsibilities of a product owner. Product vision and strategy. Develop and communicate a clear and compelling product vision and strategy that aligns with the organization's goals and customer needs. Product backlog management. Create and maintain the product backlog, a prioritized list of user stories, features, and requirements. The product owner is responsible for defining, refining, and prioritizing items in the backlog. Prioritization. Determine the order in which backlog items should be tackled by the development team. Prioritize based on factors such as business value, customer needs, and market trends. User story creation. Write detailed user stories that describe the desired functionality or feature from the end user's perspective. Ensure that user stories are clear, concise, and actionable. Acceptance criteria. Define acceptance criteria for each user story, which specify the conditions that must be met for the work to be considered complete and ready for release. Continuous engagement. Act as the main point of contact between the development team and stakeholders, including customers, business users, and other relevant parties. Gather feedback and input from stakeholders regularly. Release planning. Collaborate with the team to plan and prioritize releases, defining what will be included in each release and setting release goals. Sprint planning. Participate in sprint planning meetings to help the team understand and refine the user stories they will work on during the sprint. Backlog refinement. Continuously refine and clarify backlog items as needed, ensuring that the development team has a clear understanding of what needs to be built. Progress monitoring. Track the progress of work during each sprint and communicate it to stakeholders. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, to evaluate the success of the product. Decision making. Make timely and informed decisions regarding the scope and direction of the product. Be prepared to make trade-offs between features, schedule, and resources. Risk management. Identify and manage risks and dependencies that may impact the product's delivery or quality. Feedback integration. Regularly incorporate feedback from users, stakeholders, and the development team to make improvements and adjustments to the product. Quality assurance. Ensure that the delivered product meets the defined acceptance criteria and is of high quality. Release management. Determine when a set of features or a product increment is ready for release and coordinate the release with relevant teams. Market and competitive analysis. Stay informed about market trends, customer needs, and competitors to make informed decisions about the product's direction. Customer advocacy. Act as an advocate for the customer, representing their interests and ensuring that their needs are met in the product. Team collaboration. Collaborate closely with the development team, providing guidance and answering questions throughout the development process. Backlog grooming. Participate in backlog grooming sessions with the development team to clarify user stories, update priorities, and remove obstacles. Continuous learning. Stay updated on Agile and industry best practices related to product management and product ownership. The product owner is a critical role responsible for making sure that the development team is working on the most valuable and relevant work items to deliver a successful product that meets customer and business objectives. Effective communication, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the product and its stakeholders are essential qualities for a successful product owner.